This video focuses on finding X and Y intercepts. The first example is how you find X and Y intercepts. To find the X intercept, we want to let the Y equal 0 and then we solve for X. Sometimes we need to do some factoring in those cases. To find the Y intercept, we want to let X equal 0 and then solve for Y, and that's usually the easier one. So let's start off with this equation, y equals x cubed minus 4x. And we want to find out what are the x and y intercepts. So let's start with the x-intercept. Where does it touch on the x-axis? So we're going to let y equal 0. So we say 0 equals x cubed minus 4x. We want to find out what x is. In this case, we could have up to 3 intercepts. So we're going to factor out a common factor, GCF of x. We're left with x squared minus 4. Then we would continue factoring using the difference of 2 squareds, x minus 2, x plus 2. Now we have 3 factors. We're going to set each of the factors equal to 0 and then solve for x. So this is a factor, this is a factor, and that's a factor. So we say x equals 0, x minus 2 equals 0, and then x plus 2 equals 0. Now we solve them for x. Well, the first one already is solved, so that's going to be the order pair 0, 0. The second one we want to solve it for x, so we add 2, so that's the order pair 2, 0. And then the last one, subtract 2, so that's the order pair negative 2, 0. So if we were to graph it on the x-axis, we would have an order pair here at 0, 0, at 2, 0, and at negative 2, 0. Now let's talk the y-intercept. To find the y-intercept, we're going to let x's equal 0. So I'm just going to rewrite the equation again down here. Now to find the y-intercept, let x equal 0. So y equals 0 cubed minus 4 times 0. Everything cancels out, so our y-intercept is at 0. So here is our y-intercept that touches on the y-axis. There's our y-axis. Second example, same rules apply, new equation. Y squared equals x plus 4, and we want to find the x and the y-intercept. So let's start with the x-intercept first. To find the x-intercept, we're going to let y equal 0 and solve for x. 0 squared is 0. Subtract 4 from both sides. So x equals negative 4. So our order pair then is negative 4, 0. So on our x-axis, we have an order pair. Here's negative 2, negative 4. We have an order pair right here at negative 4, 0. Now let's find the y-intercept, where it touches on the y-axis. So y-intercept, now we're going to do the opposite. We're going to let x equals 0, and we're going to solve for y. So y squared equals 0 plus 4. Y squared, 0 plus 4 is 4. Now y squared, to undo a square, we have to square root both sides. Do not forget the plus and minus on the right. So y equals plus or minus 2, because square root of 4 is 2. So we have an order pair over 0, up 2, and over 0, down 2. So here's our order pair 0, 2, and 0, negative 2. And if you're curious what this graph would look like, it would be a parabola that opens to the right.